Time to let the public see your work. Lesson 4. How to publish iPhone games and applications at the App Store. The App Store is the place to be to offer your app for sale to a large enough array of potential buyers to reap great rewards. To begin, pull up the Developer's Guide and join the iPhone Developer Program online, as a membership is needed to submit your app to the store. Be sure to read the submission guidelines to increase your chances at being approved. What to be aware of in describing your app or game. The way your app is described at the App Store can be the deciding factor in making a sale. There are 3 elements every best-selling app description will have. 1. The headline. The initial questions people need to know the answers to for an app are what the app is and what it does. Use an attractive and strong headline that answers these queries. 2. Quotes, awards, testimonials, and benefits. Make your app noticed amongst all the others by displaying why it's so popular and worthwhile. Using feedback quotes and user reviews is usually the best way to do this. Some cleverly selected quotes tell potential users that your app is brilliant, not only by taking your word for it, but because it's tried and tested by others. Ensure that the references are short and informative. Don't forget to include any awards received for your app. This will likely be the most important part of your description for the App Store. 3. Call to action. Finish your summary by calling for potential customers to purchase your app. This may appear like something too obvious to mention, but an affirmative statement, such as "purchase this app today," can add to sales nonetheless. Such statements can nudge buyers into buying now instead of hesitating and thinking that they will purchase it later but ending up not bothering to do so. You wrote an excellent description? What next? When you submit your app or game, Apple will review and carefully consider it before you are added to the App Store. To make the most of your options, be sure to test your app carefully prior to submission to ensure that it's working as planned. Frequent mistakes can keep you off the App Store. Prior to your submission of an app to the App Store, keep in mind some of the main reasons for possible rejection. 1. Technical problems. 2. Trademark violations. 3. Inappropriate content. Ensure that you are permitted to utilize every photo, video, music track, and trademarked word that you want to use in your app. Should the app be approved, it will be publicly displayed and available for purchase for the significant numbers of iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad users.